Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Exam Master Academy. So in this video I am going to tell you BSc 4th semester Zoology 2 markers and 5 markers important questions for unit wise. Let's see unit 1, Introduction to Genetics and Mendelian Genetics. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one, state Mendel's law of segregation. Second one, state Mendel's law of independent assortment. Third one, what is incomplete dominance? Fourth one, what is codominance? Fifth one, what is crossing over? Sixth one, define linkage. These are most important and expected for 2 markers questions. Let's see 5 markers questions here. First one, explain Mendel's monohybrid cross. Second one, explain Mendel's dihybrid cross. Third one, explain incomplete dominance with an example. Fourth one, explain codominance with an example. Fifth one, explain linkage and crossing over. These are most expected 5 markers questions for unit 1. Let's see unit 2, mutations and sex determination. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one, define mutation. Second one, what is deletion? Third one, what is duplication? Fourth one, define aneuploidy. Fourth one, define polyploidy. Fifth one, what is dosage compensation? These are most expected 2 markers questions. Let's see 5 markers questions here. First one, explain chromosomal mutations. Second one, differentiate aneuploidy and polyploidy. Explain XX, XY mechanism of sex determination. Fourth one, explain dosage compensation. These are most expected 5 marker questions for unit 2. Let's see unit 3, origin of life and evaluation. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one, define Lamarckism. Second one, define Darwinism. Third one, what is neo-Darwinism? Fourth one, what is a fossil? Fifth one, what is fossilization? Sixth one, what is industrial melanism? These are most expected 2 markers questions. Let's see 5 markers questions here. First one, explain Lamarckism. Second one, explain Darwinism. Third one, explain neo-Darwinism. Fourth one, explain fossilization and types of fossils. Fifth one, explain industrial melanism. These are most expected 5 markers questions. Let's see unit 4, species concept and macro evaluation. Let's see 2 markers questions here. First one, what is biological species concept? Second one, what is allopatric speciation? Third one, what is symplectic speciation? Fourth one, what are Darwin's pinches? Fifth one, what is phylogeny? These are important 2 markers questions. Let's see 5 markers questions. First one, explain biological species concept. Second one, differentiate allopatric and sympatric speciation. Third one, explain Darwin's pinches as evidence of evaluation. Fourth one, explain evaluation of man. Fifth one, explain phylogeny of horse. So these are most expected 5 markers questions for unit 4. If you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends, and whatever doubts you have, please comment in comment sections. Thanks for watching.